Hey guys, it's Daniel back with another video. It was supposed to be prepping turbo to go autocross this coming weekend, but unfortunately Layla decided to break. As you can see, the rear end is pretty much completely disassembled, and to be honest, it's pretty frustrating. With that being said, as I've been sitting here, I've been thinking about what made me love MR2s and what's pushing me forward. So I think I'm gonna call it a day working on the car. I'm gonna clean up, then I'm gonna take you for a drive and tell you why I love MR2s. Hey guys, got the car stuff put away. I took a shower. I still couldn't get all the grease off my hands, and it's hot as hell in here. All right, so to get to the story now, my whole fiasco with MR2s, or I guess infatuation, started when I was 8. My parents were driving on the highway and I was in the back seat of the family minivan, and I was about to fall asleep when I heard some thunder, or what I thought was thunder. Next thing you know, oh, another MR2, kick ass. Let's catch up to him. Never mind, there's a light. Sorry for that little detour. I just saw a red MR2 pass by me, and this older lady owns it. I've tried to buy it from her, but she will not budge, which sucks because it's pretty clean. Getting back to the story now. So like I said, I was about to fall asleep when I heard what I thought was thunder. Then I see this black thing zip by me, followed by a red blur. These cars were definitely speeding. What happens is the red car comes up, gets in the right lane, and I thought it was a freaking Ferrari. I didn't know any better. I mean, mind you, I'm 8 years old. So then I start looking at this car, and I noticed the Toyota emblem, and I realized it's an MR2 lining up with the C5 Corvette. These guys are probably next to each other all of 5 seconds, but it left a lasting impression. So after those 5 seconds, those cars just took off running. And holy shit, I don't even know who won, but it left such an impression on me. So now, fast forward to high school, I have this car obsession because of that instance, and I'm looking for a car, and I want to get an MR2. I keep looking and looking until I found my white car, Layla. And holy shit, was that the best decision of my life. The memories I've made with Layla are freaking amazing. I've traveled all over the Pacific Northwest with that car, doing autocrosses, track days, things of that nature. So when she breaks down on me like she did today, is it frustrating? Extremely. But the memories I've made in that one instance of me seeing a C5 Corvette and second gen MR2 street racing has just stuck with me for life, and it's caused this addiction, so to speak. So I definitely acknowledge today's video is going to be really short, as I didn't fix me fixing Layla. With that being said, the next video should be me prepping this car for autocross. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my little story. I'd love to hear how you got into MR2s or just cars in general. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe.